Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into HDFC Bank account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your HDFC Bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address hdfcbank.com and hit on enter. And after that, you'll be redirected to the home page of HDFC, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available over here, and when we hover over it, it's kind of menu appears and you'll be required to know which account category is yours. Either you log into net banking or credit card portal, loans portal, SDFC limited, these kinds of account types. We will be logging into the net banking account, so we'll be just clicking on the net banking. Now over here you'll be required to enter your user ID. If you forgot your customer ID, you can always click on the first forgot customer ID to go through a retrieval process of your account, and after that click on continue. And on the next step, you will be required to enter your password over here or your PIN account of your HDFC Bank account, and after that click on login to sign into your account. But guys, if you have forgotten your PIN, your password, you can simply click on the forgot password or IPIN to go through a retrieval process of your account by giving in some credentials. And with that being said guys, after you have entered your customer ID and your password, simply click on the login, and then you'll be signed into your HDFC Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.